What's up, guys? Today I'm rebuilding the Sears 4.5-inch bench vise that I restored, repainted, and polished. The jaws are 4.5 inches wide. The replaceable jaw pads are half inch by 1/4 inch. Now, unfortunately, I do not have a base for this vise, so I don't have one to put together for you. However, I will be rebuilding the static jaw. So it just has a, like typical vices, washer, E-clip. Show you up close. For those of you who haven't rebuilt one of these, there is a small groove. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Right there. That the E-clip slides into, or you hammer into. Tap it into, however you want to put it. Just give it a little tap, and now it's in there. And what that does, the washer and the E-clip, it moves the jaw out when you need to open it up. Next, I grab my grease, and on this type of bench vise, I always put the grease in the housing because otherwise it gets very messy. And it just goes in there. Next, you line the static jaw up and start screwing it until it catches. Alright, it's caught. Now I want to see how wide this opens. It opens about 5 1/4 to give you 5 1/4 inch worth of workable space. And there you have it. Very nice, restored vintage Sears bench vise, metallic blue paint, mirror shine on the jaws and the back piece. flat top on this piece actually gives you about 1 3/4 worth of workspace on top.